Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health. So here today in this video, I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending collection of summer wears midi dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So in this video, you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of midi dresses within different colors, different styles, different designs, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of floral printed styles midi dresses for ladies and girls. So you will be find out umbrella style designs, A-line style designs, belt style designs, flare styles, midi dress design ideas, short frock style design ideas. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of summer wears midi dresses, and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. You will be find out amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, half sleeve designs, sleeveless midi dress designs. So if you love to wear midi dresses, if you love to wear floral midi dresses, floral printed styles dresses, so this video is absolutely going to be helpful for you, very useful for you dear ladies and girls. You will be find out chiffon fabric midi dresses, georgette fabric midi dresses, patchwork styles midi dress design ideas. You will be find out cotton fabric designs. So I hope so this video is going to be helpful for you and you will get new ideas and new designs. You will enjoy this video, you will enjoy these designs of dresses. So must try these styles of dresses for your summers. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs, most demanding and trending ideas of dresses for ladies and girls. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of dresses, so please dear ladies, dear girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs about trending fashion. So must share my video, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So must tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of summer wears floral midi dresses, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. Dear girls, dear ladies, I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions. So must share your opinions in the comment section. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. You will be find out most demanding and trending ideas of dresses. You will be find out midi dresses. You will be find out maxi style dresses, gown style dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas about trending fashion you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs from those videos. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.